And then we have number 7, improvements established in weeks. When HR for Dynamics is implemented into an organization through our best practice partners, we're talking about being able to really start using improvements within 8 weeks. So we start with 2 days planning, 2 to 4 weeks best practice implementation, training, and e-learning, and then 2 to 4 weeks some light adaptations, and you can roll them out per module. And then you can continually add additional improvements over time. But in 8 weeks, you're already up, running, and using the solution. This is an absolute game changer because HR doesn't have the luxury of being IT. IT lives for new IT projects and software implementations. HR still has their other job, right? There's still leave requests coming in. There's still recruiting that needs to happen. There's still HR requests that come in, and those things just continuously pile up. So it's imperative that we can get these improvements established in a very short period of time.